Hi, this is Max German-Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I'll meet or beat any eBay price for the exact same item which you posted for this video. Volkswagen and Audi specialist, but I work on all cars, Max's German and Japanese car, but I do have Audi and Volkswagen parts. Anyway, 2007 Toyota Solara 3.3 liter V6, getting to the back three spark plug and coil packs. You got to remove the manifold, and here's how you do it. First thing is you got to remove the intake boot. There's like two hose clamps and then a hose. Get rid of the intake boot. You don't have to pull the whole air box, just the boot. And then you got to get rid of your throttle body. It's like 4 or 5 bolts. I think they're 12mm bolts, and you get rid of the throttle body. You need like a 12 and a 14, 10mm, and also wrenches, 12 and 14. And then you also need an 8mm Allen socket. Those hold the manifold on. Anyway, you get the throttle body, but also there's a throttle body flange you got to remove. So remove the throttle body flange. That's also 5 bolts. They're either 12 or 14, I forget. And then here's the hard part. There's 3 metal brackets in the back that you have to unbolt. There's 2 on the driver's side with 12mm bolts on them, metal brackets, and then there's a third one on the passenger side that has a 14mm bolt on it. Also, there's one more hose here. You don't have to unscrew this. All you got to do is hold the clamp. You can detach it by hand by just pinching the clamp and pulling the hose off this threaded insert. But the hard part is just getting these bolts off these brackets, these support brackets, metal support brackets. There's 3 of them. And also there's like 2 14mm nuts and looks like 3 8mm bolts that hold the manifold on. Anyway, that's how you remove the manifold to get to the rear spark plugs and coil packs on a 3.3 liter Toyota V6, and this is an 07 Toyota Solara V6. It's Max's German-Japanese car. Thank you very much.